Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna define a new color scheme for our application, and in order to do this I'm just gonna go and open the project view, and then I'm gonna open the app folder, and then in the RES folder, which stands for resources, we're gonna find this values folder, and we're gonna select colors.xml file. And now I can close the project view, and as you can see right now we have 3 color variables, and we will need 4 variables for this application. And in order to create a new one, we can just type it our own way, or we can just go, and as you can see right now I have the cursor at the end of the line, and we can just duplicate this line by typing Command D on our Mac or just Control D on a PC. And so instead of having color accent as the name, I'm just gonna rename it to color text. So I just have these colors right here. Usually a color scheme has only 3 colors. We're gonna be using 4 this time to display a different color for the text, and we just want to have a white color, and the hash code for it is gonna be FA for 3 times. And for the color primary, the one that we're gonna be using, it's gonna be this 19 for 3 times. This is the hash code. It's quite a black color, as you can see the preview right here. And then for the primary dark color, we're gonna be using the color that has the hash code for 42 3 times. Okay, and as you can see it's quite a grayish color. And then for the accent, we're gonna be using a green color and has this hash code for CAF and then 50. And as you can see, those are the previews for the colors that we have. And so right now the next thing is just to reference this in activity main.xml. So I'm just gonna close this colors XML, and so I'm here in activity underscore main.xml, as you can see in this tab. Okay, and right now I'm just gonna start to reference them. So see you in the next video, and that's where we're gonna be changing the colors for our graphical user interface. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.